Tara the patient turtle. In a calm blue pond lived a little turtle named Tara. She loved to race her friends, but she was not very patient. If she didn't win, she would frown and stomp her feet. One day, Mama Turtle saw Tara looking sad. "Patience is important, little one," she said gently. "It means waiting calmly and trying again, even when things are slow." The next day, the animals announced a big race across the pond. "I will win this time," Tara declared, forgetting all about being patient. "Ready, set, go," shouted the frog. Tara zoomed off, splashing water everywhere. But soon her fast start made her very tired, and she had to stop. The frog hopped to the finish line first. Tara felt sad. Mama Turtle swam over. "It's okay," she said. "You tried your best. Next time, remember to be patient and just take your time." The next morning, Tara decided to try Mama's advice. She practiced swimming slowly and steadily across the pond. "Slow and steady," she whispered to herself. A few days later, it was time for another race. This time, Tara wasn't thinking about winning. She smiled and said, "I'll just do my best." "Ready, set, go." Tara took a deep breath and began to swim. She wasn't the fastest, but she swam slowly and steadily, without stopping once. When Tara reached the finish line, all her friends cheered loudly. "You did it, Tara," shouted the frog. "You didn't give up." Tara beamed with joy. She hadn't won first place, but she had finished the race. "I learned that being patient helps me do my best," she said happily, celebrating with all her friends.